Brand positioning is the art and science of crafting a distinct and memorable identity that sets a brand apart from its competitors. SlideTeam brings you a content-ready and custom-made brand positioning presentation to help you capture the essence of your brand, communicate its value proposition, and influence consumer perceptions. Download this product marketing PPT presentation to connect with your target audience with ease and efficiency. Also, grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. The first step is understanding the target market and identifying their needs, desires, and aspirations. This knowledge serves as the foundation for developing a positioning strategy that resonates with the intended audience. Grab this ready-to-use PowerPoint template now to position your brand based on product attributes, such as superior quality or innovative features. This messaging can also focus on emotional benefits, emphasizing how it makes consumers feel or the values it represents. Essentially, brand positioning creates a unique brand promise or value proposition that differentiates the brand from its competitors. Use this pre-designed PPT slide to articulate the benefits consumers can expect from choosing the brand over alternatives. Boost your product's market presence with our Product Marketing PPT. Grab it from the link in the description now. Clear and compelling messaging is crucial in conveying this promise consistently across touchpoints, such as advertising, packaging, and customer service. This is a professional and appealing PPT presentation helping you deliver a memorable and positive brand experience. Deploy this actionable PowerPoint template to allow your brand cut through the noise. Also, establish a strong foothold in the minds and hearts of consumers, ultimately leading to business growth and success. For more such PPT templates, visit www.slideteam.net.